Hello guys, look at this plane. Oh look, there's an Usher. Look at this amazing place. Usher found it. Wow. What's it called?
1 second.
Oh. Famous Waterloo Street. Waterloo Street something? That's his famous Waterloo Street something.
It's called BK 261 Eating House, and it's close to Waterloo Street. Not in London, but in Singapore.
There we go. So yes, we are in Singapore. Obviously it's stupidly expensive everywhere, as we've maybe expressed already. But yes, Usher found this place, Cheap Eats. This, for example, all of this is $3.20. 3 Singaporean dollars 20 cents.
Really? Mine was 5.
5.
Mine was.
I mean, you had a big thing.
Mine was salmon, like a chicken, Korean chicken.
Chicken salmon.
Salmon, a piece of salmon, piece of chicken cut on slices, and the Korean chicken. Kind of like in the breadcrumbs. And then rice, kimchi, and a prawn cocktail. Very good.
Wow, all for 5. 5 Singaporean dollars. Mine, yeah, it was $3.20. So I've got, I don't know. I don't know what that is. I think it might be sweet and sour
Yes, sweet and sour.
pork. Sweet and sour pork? Yeah, sweet and sour pork. Wow. I've had sweet and sour pork for a very long time. And beans and like mince. And some rice, obviously. Very Chinese, but very good. But yeah, in here you can see like, so this is Hainanese, which I guess is Chinese. Hainan. This is Indian, like Muslim, Malaysian, I think. Something else, I don't know. Chinese, Japanese and Korean, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So you know, it's a good mix of kind of Indian, you know, Asian stuff, and tastes really good, and it's a good price. But definitely come down to this place, and if you're in Singapore and you don't have any money, well, don't have much money, this is the place for you. Although I did go over there and have a really good coffee, and that wasn't so cheap. But you know, actually the coffee I had cost more than this. Yeah.
How much
So,
is your coffee?
like 3 something. Yes. I think it cost $3.40 for my coffee. No, it was more. It was £3. Yeah. £3 for my coffee. Because I used my card. Anyway. Good. Yeah. What we're finding, I mean, the way I'm trying to deal with Singapore is it's expensive. Kind of just try and work around it. But if you can't, like, you know, obviously if you need water. So, you know, this water actually is a really good example. This is like in Kuala Lumpur, for example. This is like 3 for like a 1.5 liter. It was about 250 to 3, well, 3 on the high end for this particular water in Kuala Lumpur. That's 3 ringgit. Right? Here it was 290 Singaporean dollars. So that sort of shows the difference. Or, you know, basically the exact same thing costs 3 ringgit as it does 3 Singaporean dollars. So there you go. It's weird. I find it really weird. but that's just some sort of weirdness. It's almost like here has had inflation, but there hasn't.
Maybe it is.
Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Something like that. And it's also, you know, we've also discovered this is kind of why we couldn't really afford to stay here.
Yeah.
It literally costs, yeah, I mean, it's cheaper to stay there and catch a bus here and catch a bus back and then stay there, then by there I mean Johor, than it would to stay here. Like, it's literally 3 times the price of anything we've paid anywhere. For example, it would be the equivalent of about £40 just for a bunk bed in a hostel. Anywhere like that, I don't even understand it.
So, for example, in Poland, for this price, you can stay in Karpacz for around 200, I think, 250 maybe. Recently, I mean, I was checking like how much was the room. So you can definitely stay in a really good hotel with the view on the mountains, with swimming pool, spa, sauna, anything included in the price. We probably stay in places that are between 15 pounds to 20. I think the most expensive maybe was like 25. But in Java we stayed in a place, oh no, even in the Medawi in Bali, we stayed in a place which was £7 with the ocean view. So that is a bit different. Yeah, no. No, I think that doesn't work. I think we like our comfort, but within like within some boundaries. I think, I don't know how to say that. Well, just not necessarily needing to spend more money. I think we prefer to spend money on food, on chocolate, on transport, on I don't know. What else? On trips, on snorkeling, and yeah. But also, like, I find in this place like this one, I just find it really authentic people. You know, you just see people who just came here for lunch between jobs, and like people who live nearby, and students. That's like a student place around here. So yeah, you just a human being.
Uh-oh, guys. Look what we got here. It's purple. Whoa. I don't know what it is though. Is it sweet?
Young Pao.
Young Pao.
Young Pao.
Young Pao. Pao or Bao?
Pao.
Pao. Purple. So it's purple because of kind of like a sweet potato called, like, I'd call it taro, but it's kind of ube. But then you can see in there, I think this is more taro stuff. There's taro stuff in there, isn't it? Taro stuff, or like ube stuff. And how much do they cost?
110.
110 each? 110 each. Which I still haven't worked out how much a Singaporean dollar really is. So 60, right?
0.65p.
65p, around about. So yeah, we're just gonna have that. Ashley's got a tea there as well. I'm gonna eat this. And then we're probably gonna finally head to the, what's it called? The garden. The garden. By the bay garden. Okay, bye.